Hey guys, Sorin here from TechieShow, and today I decided to change the keycaps on my daily use keyboard with another set. I use a E-Yooso Chinese keyboard Z87, and it comes with standard keycaps, something like this, ABS, gaming-ish font. So I'm going to change with a new set of keycaps, rounded, a PBS double shot. These do not have the lettering lighted up, but it's not an issue due to the way the keyboard lights up, and I'm not such a fan of the background light anyway. But I feel that the look is going to get a vast improvement, as well as the profile of the keys seems better, at least from the pictures we're about to see in reality, as well as the distance between the keycaps when they are installed seems to be a little bit narrower with the new keycap set. So let's get to it. So that's about it. This is how it looks with the new keycaps. I quite like it. I especially like the contrast between the white body and the new keycaps. They feel pretty good to type and they look really awesome. So if you want to be the first to know when I make another new video, don't forget to subscribe to the TechieShow channel and like this video if you've liked it. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.